Good day, this is Taj from Wayne Phyllis Kia Ranella doing the video on the 2018 Holden Commodore RS. Fantastic looking vehicle, been very well looked after. Just going around the car. Alloys are in great nick. Plenty of life left on the tires. Paint's been really well looked after. Just going in here, as you can see, the interior, great condition. Hood lining looks good. Go into your service history, just there. And then regularly serviced. So great service history all the way through. And then we've done our service and safety on there as well. Just continuing on around the car. Back seats are in great condition. Has your venting in the back as well. Again, alloys, fantastic. Plenty of life left on the tires. Just continuing on around the car. Good size boot. Has your rubber mats in there as well. Massive boot, actually. Okay, just continuing on. Great looking car as well. Again, alloys are in perfect condition. Plenty of life left on the tires. Back seats there. A couple of USBs in the back as well. Comes with 2 keys, has your smart entry, blind spot monitor as well, electric seats. Go in here and turn it on. So push button start, electric parking brake, has your lane departure as well, big reversing camera, dual climate control, cruise control, all your Bluetooth features, 110,189 kilometers, quite low for a car of this year. All right, we'll continue on. Comes with 2 keys as well. Again, alloys are in great nick. Plenty of life left on the tires. Has your front sensors as well. Well, once again, this is Taj from Wayne Phyllis Kia Ranella doing the video on the 2018 Holden Commodore RS. Thank you very much. Chat to you soon.